So you bought a new monitor, you got one for Christmas, and now you're thinking, I kind of want a monitor stand to hang this bad boy up. So you go to all the local stores and you can only find one, and that's the crappy Vivo dual monitor stand from Walmart. So you decide to look at Amazon and you see that it's the cheapest one at $29. And you say, let's try it. This is how it'll turn out for you. So I was in the same predicament. My monitors were taking up too much room on my desk and I wanted a fast fix to my problem. So I went to Walmart and decided to pick up the only stand that I can find, not even considering the fact that I have a 34-inch super heavy ultra-wide monitor and a 24-inch second display that I need to hang on this thing. And while they might not be the most expensive monitors, it's still like $400 or $500 hanging on this stand. But I really didn't care and went with it anyways. At 34 bucks, what could go wrong? So the first thing you're gonna notice when you take it out of the box is it actually doesn't feel that flimsy. It actually feels pretty sturdy. It's all metal. It mounts to the desk via a pretty stout desk clamp, typical like you'd see to most monitor arms. There actually isn't a direct mount option that comes with it, but oh well, I didn't really need that. And in terms of overall build quality, I don't think you can really knock it, especially for the price, and it seems solid enough. That is, until you mount a monitor outside its suggested range. Now, this is where I ran into my first problem. The monitor sagged almost immediately. Now, it probably didn't help that my MSI monitor, the ultra-wide behind me, has a VESA adapter that actually hangs the monitor like an inch from the adapter itself, adding more leverage to all the pressure points on the arm. But I can see even like heavier 27-inch monitors sagging, not allowing you to use like the tilt function properly. It'll just go to the lowest tilt setting possible. To fix this, I cranked down every single bolt in the monitor arm, which is a tedious, time-consuming process. You feel like you're gonna break every bolt in the process, and you actually have to take the monitors off to get to a couple bolts that are on the back side of the VESA mount. And now the monitor arms do not move fluidly whatsoever, but voila. We have a working monitor stand for my scenario. A subpar solution to hold my expensive monitor, but the arm seems to be bending down about 3 inches from where it's supposed to be. Now, it's been like this for 6 months and it still hasn't gone anywhere, but I keep an eye on that every day and I'm waiting for the imminent crash while the monitor hits my desk. That's kind of why I don't mount them any higher than they are, because I feel like I'm still in the survivor zone. I also added a little cheater preamp underneath the one monitor that's kind of holding things together. So pick up a mic preamp and jam that under one of the monitors and you should be good to go. So up until this point, it's served its purpose pretty well. Aside from the sagging and not being able to move them very well, it's held my monitors up, and I can only keep the one monitor vertical because it's not wide enough to actually fit an ultra wide and a 24-inch, but I kind of wanted to do a vertical monitor anyways, so this just forced me to do that. And it cleared a ton of space on my desk, so that's a plus. I will, however, be ordering a better monitor arm soon, but until then, I'm just praying for no catastrophic failure. Now, I can't really say what this will be like with smaller monitors, but I'm assuming if I can get it to work with this behemoth, if you have a 24-inch monitor, 25, 26-inch, I'm assuming it's going to work for you. Now, at the 27-inch that they say it supports up to, and I think they say 17 pounds, which I'm not sure what a 27-inch monitor typically weighs, but I would think at that range you're going to start sagging a little bit, and you're at least going to have to tighten the bolts up to get it to work as you want it to. But if you're in my position and you just want to send it for the boys and want to get your monitors on some stands, do it. Just be ready for your monitors to fall. And realize you might have saved 40 bucks to throw $500 in the trash when you break your screen. Or you could buy a good one and not have to worry, but I like to live on the edge. So if you're feeling risky, go ahead and go pick this monitor stand up and mount your bad boys to it. If not, I don't blame you. If this video helped you out at all, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, thumbs down. I don't care. Go ahead and throw a comment down below what you thought about the video and if you would put your monitor on this stand. And go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more in the future. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.